Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable the screen rotation on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. Little demonstration first. I'm going to the Play Store, and if I turn my phone sideways, you see the screen won't turn sideways with it. To enable the screen rotation, you need to go to your drop down menu and then click on Auto Rotate. You see it's off right now, and when we click on it, it's on. We go back to the Play Store and turn our phone sideways, and here you see the screen shifted sideways with it. When you want that to be turned off again, go to your drop down menu, just click on it, then it's off. It's pretty useful for like Netflix and stuff, or YouTube if you want to enjoy a full screen vision. Depends on what you like most, but that's how you enable and disable the screen rotation. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.